Is it wrong to get it wrong sometimes? Is it wrong to be confused? Is it wrong to feel abandoned and feel like you've been used? Is it okay to be angry and foolish and naive? Is it okay to be frightened? Is it okay to be me? Just one slip I let my feelings all come undone, and now I'm lying sleepless in South London. There were warning signs and all I did was shun them. Just someone feeling sleepless in South London. Is it wrong to long for something when those people go without? Is it wrong to let yourself be eaten up by doubt? Is it okay to be stumbling and stupid and naive? Is it okay to be anxious? Is it okay to be me? One wrong step and then my confidence is undone. Now I'm someone feeling sleepless in South London. Saw the red lights, yeah, but I chose to shun them. Just someone feeling sleepless in South London. Is it wrong to be indulgent when the whole world's falling down? Is it wrong to write a song and throw some guilt around? Is it okay to be feckless and useless and naive? Is it okay not to care sometimes? Is it okay to be me? When mistaken suddenly it all comes undone. Now I'm lying sleepless in South London. Heard the warnings, yeah, all I did was shun them. Now I'm feeling sleepless in South London. Heard the warnings, yeah, but I chose to shun them. Now I'm feeling sleepless in South London. Just can't get to sleep at night. Sleepless in South London. Now I'm feeling sleepless in South London. Now I'm feeling sleepless in South London. Now I'm feeling sleepless in South London.